In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your availability settings on HubSpot. Let's dive right into it, ensuring that your schedule is up to date and perfectly tailored to your needs. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the HubSpot user guide. You can easily access it by heading over to the HubSpot platform. Once you're there, it's important to look for the correct user guide to make sure you're following along with the right instructions tailored to your account. By referring to the guide, not only will you be understanding the steps we are about to discuss, but you'll also know where everything is located within the interface. Once you've found yourself in the HubSpot user guide, your next move is to click on the settings icon. This is typically represented by a gear symbol, found somewhere at the top right corner of your dashboard. Clicking on settings takes you into the heart of your account management, allowing you to have access to numerous options that help in personalizing your HubSpot experience. Now, once you're inside the settings, what you want to do is navigate to Availability Management. This can usually be found under your user preferences. Clicking on Availability Management will take you to a new section dedicated to managing your schedule. Now, here you can see current availability settings, and from here you can begin tweaking them to best suit when you are available for meetings and calls. This feature is incredibly handy. It ensures that your calendar reflects accurate times when you're open for appointments or unavailable, thus reducing scheduling conflicts. Personalizing your availability settings involves considering your work-life balance. If your workload is quite heavy, ensure to block off time where you're not bombarded with meetings. Conversely, if you have key times when you're most productive in engaging with others, make sure that's reflected too. Think of this as setting the stage for a smoother workflow. After adjusting your settings, ensure to hit the Save button. This final step is crucial. Without saving, the changes won't take effect, which can mean your calendar remains unchanged, potentially causing confusion later on. Remember, these settings aren't set in stone. You can always revisit this availability management section to update your schedule as things change. Editing your availability settings on HubSpot is all about optimizing your time and making sure that your calendar is appropriately aligned with your real-world commitments. With these steps, you're ensuring that your scheduling reflects who you can meet and when, streamlining communication both for you and those wishing to liaise with you. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide beneficial. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and as always, happy organizing!